friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Yes, bacon refried beans that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious bacon refried beans, these are my ingredients. I have, of course, beans. I have bacon, half an onion, one serrano chili. This is everything you need to enjoy these amazing and delicious bacon refried beans. So let's get started. Let me show you my beans. I have 4 cups of beans, and of course, these beans are going to have so much amazing flavors. I have 1 serrano chili. Don't think that the refried beans are going to be spicy. They're just going to have an amazing taste. If you want to omit the serrano chili and add a jalapeno, go ahead. But do add a chili in these amazing refried beans. Half an onion, and of course, 10 strips of bacon. Any type of bacon will do the job. Let me tell you, these refried beans go with everything. You could enjoy them with some chips. You could enjoy them in crispy tacos. You could enjoy them in burritos. You could enjoy them for breakfast with a side of eggs. You name it. These beans have so much flavor. How to cook your beans? You cook them with 2 bay leaves, 3 garlic cloves, salt, and enough water. And here I'm going to start with the bacon. The bacon is what takes much longer cooking, and I didn't add any oils to the pan. You know that the bacon is going to release all the fat. So I am going to use the fat that the bacon released. The fat is going to have so much flavor in these amazing refried beans. Make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. These refried beans come out so delicious and so amazing. And like I said, do not omit the chili, the green chili. It could be serrano, it could be jalapeno, you decide, but do not omit it. Once they're nice and crispy, I am going to remove just a little bit for the decoration. And I'm removing about 2 tablespoons of the bacon. And the rest I am going to leave behind. Now I'm adding the chili and the onion. I'm going to cook in medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion has translucent and it's releasing the amazing flavor. This is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, cook it in the same fat that the bacon released. Now I'm adding my frijoles and I am going to incorporate everything in here. You really want all the bacon to release the flavor into the juices of the frijoles. And here I'm just going to let it cook in medium-high heat until they start boiling from the center and all over. This is going to take another 3 minutes. Once they're boiling, you're going to smash them really good, incorporate all those amazing flavor. And to tell you the truth, you can't even see the chili or the onion at the end. You could barely see the amazing bacon. Well, here I'm just going to smash away. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, these refried beans go with everything, even in amazing burritos, cheese burritos. Oh, what can I tell you? Just amazing. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and share. Share the video so more people make these amazing, easy, and delicious recipes. Remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Once this is done, I am ready for the presentation plate. I'm going to add just enough beans and then top it off with the bacon. And I'm just going to leave a little bit of bacon on the top. And now, how am I going to enjoy it? I have a piece of telera, a bread. I'm going to slice through the center. And I am ready to add the amazing refried beans with cheese. I'm going to add some refried beans on the bottom, add some queso fresco on the top. You could add sour cream. I'm going to add some jalapenos. And let me tell you, this comes out delicious and amazing. A very easy recipe for this hot weather. Look at this. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy, and I can't wait for you to make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. I added a little bit of bacon right on the top, and then I'm ready to add my jalapenos. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy. Look at this. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these bacon refried beans. Of course, I made myself a torta. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. So delicious. Of course, I added refried beans, queso fresco, jalapeno, and a little more bacon. This is amazing. Delicious. If you like and love this amazing bacon refried beans, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing refried beans with a lot of bacon. See you soon. Bye-bye.